Ching, ching, ching. Again, like episode kita about something. Guess we're doing so much.
Was het klaar? Kun je self-care?
Yeah. Ready.
It's recording. We're live. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, hi. Welcome back. Finally, welcome back. Because it's the second episode, y'all. We're on the second episode, the OnBrand podcast with Anshal and Shahim, produced by Rudina, aka The Muse. A quick atrobe, like who are we? And
I'm that guy. I would like to know. Mijn naam is Dream. Mijn van de koffie. En toen I'm met de co-host van the OnBrand podcast. Dus yeah, that's that.
Mijn naam is Angel. The second half, the hostess. Is that plural? I don't think so. Pero naam is Angel, the second host, the podcast. Yeah, and produced by
Rudina. Yeah, mijn naam is Rudina.
I know. That was lame.
Anyway, mijn naam is Rudina.
Yeah, see.
Wat de... Ja,
Nam
papa
jij
yo.
toe,
Oké,
zie.
mijn naam is Rudina.
Anime.
See? Yes, man. So, mijn naam is Rudina. Meet known as The Muse creatively. En meet a producer. The OnBrand podcast.
Yeah.
See.
On the last episode, we talk about Cav's album #Di Corazon, which was on to check it out. So we got a chance. Listen to this one first. This is right back. Or do which one, doesn't matter.
Do what you want when you're popping, bro.
I can't.
You do what you want when you're popping. That's really what it is.
I can, yeah. Pero today, we have a different topic. Tiggy mas loose, I think, than the first one.
Pero serio también.
But it's still serio. And so as I could join into the conversation, follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram and YouTube, and to engage with us about the topic. So we know what you think.
Yes, sir.
So today, Jaime, what are we talking about?
Today. Oi, vandaag.
You speak languages.
Polyglots over here, if you hadn't noticed. Nos think topic of the week, because these we release these weekly, bi-weekly. So I don't know. Look, it's about perception and how does one.
The fuck is this?
Wait, let me read that. I'm tripping. Perception. Should the opinion of others affect you? Yeah. This is an interesting one. Kung siya gana topic ko aqui. Well, personal ko na sa Amkanshel. We be talking a whole lot. Like that's the whole reason of this podcast, because we be talking. So I might as well.
Record it.
See, really, that's really what it is. So we be talking. So I was like, why not talk in front of other people? Why not broadcast this for the world? So, pero me feel like ik ook doen ko so importante vooral in social media age kuno sa people denk ik to kind of post their lives, at least the hopefully the best version of themselves, but at the same time that's not really you. Como que man this shit we play into exactly your life, like tell you what you want, what they want, comment, like share, and there's nothing you can do much about it. So kung what nos live ding a world aqui, então kung quando nos meselaga perception di lo que nos quiere o trae de ting di nos afectarnos.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, antes de comenzar, I think a primeira pergunta está se a opinião de outra gente está afetável.
O sea, un punto.
For me, tá depender de quem é a opinião to bini. Então depende do context também. Passo se da família, se tá na cerca, but tem mais trusting esse então de querer também mais understandable di una nanta bini. Si tu ngene cha fo, you don't know me like that. I don't know why you're giving me all this opinions and yada yada yada. Ngana ba no sa behind the scenes, but no sa achtergrond in the bini. If you don't know what's happening.
Behind the scenes.
But at the same time, we say na kita fo, ku ito still afecta ami. So it is still an opinion. If I think about it, me mesmo, oh, do I agree with what this person said? Of di kung ito mira sini, kiko ito mira ko ami no ito mira. Pero yeah, te depende da mi que contexta, que situação, que ineta. Una nanta sendo bisa na opinion também. So se ta personal, ito pa mas confronting. Kasi ta di ba mi Facebook pa ta po ni, asya ba kita mouse? Like, okay. Thanks, Tante.
Tante, wow. Dang, you got some cold aunts for the sea. Tante, wow.
This is no one in particular.
Yo.
Pero, como son everybody in terms of other people's opinion?
You can go first.
Well,
Won't be rude.
exactly.
So, can you not see us on the podcast, bro? Like,
But me, I think, well, I used to be someone who could get affected a lot by people's opinion, and it didn't matter, see it being for a close family, friends, distant family, of gewoon in het algemeen. Er is te maken, I think, cool. Maybe the culture we live in, but also how I've been raised. Pero I got to the point who I am who I am. And
it is what it is.
it is what it is. There's how much opinions of others affect me. Waki, it affect. Who don't know? It is an opinion, and yeah, me te quiere put a purba. There's a version of you into the world. Cool. Ideally, lo kepa anything nibo, pero somehow anything ko bisa anyway. And si ita riwa un topico ko ta touch bo, ita touch bo either way. So yeah, ita depende ta kiko, about kiko, pa mi.
Okay. How does the opinion of others affect me? Not really. Doesn't really. Pero inotama kay di king. So ami tawag mas tanto na min tawag kay source as much as the what is the opinion or what are they saying. So sometimes they be right, bro. Sometimes they be right. Anto as it put a bongi malu. So opinion ta onpartijdig. It could be good, it could be bad. Dus pa mi te kere in sense mi to mas objective. Pa mi te purba do let's say that. Probably mas objective, okay, key person que tu bisa ando, and there me to sift na is this something I should work on? Is this something that is true or is not true? This a base di a objective element it would affect me, of me to like affect me, of me to even allow it into my space. That's what I try to do. No ko ito by ito lecture or so timbe course na darbo for left field, like the window with the base negi, and there is like I don't what's up, pero I say you see, I try that, but at the same time, it's always cool, bruh. Sometimes stuff be hitting you, so yeah, say the pa me.
Pero como santa react o santa yung opinion. Like, are you misura ba tayo drinta din ko bisa amno tayo drinta misura ding o di una tapini di mita yega react mita mas emotional than mita I guess logical and analytical. So mita misura mita depende com a bini, então como está sentindo sabe de mundo, se portava do bisame ou baquela maus, então on a regular day me também thanks, and dia quando abandonar me dia mal me também shit I'm fucking ugly.
Quem te sunga de que deve saber baquela maus? I don't think that's true though. I think that's cap. I don't believe that. Yo, you gotta see me. You gotta square up.
How about you just say it to my face the things you've been saying about me?
Anyway, see.
Relatable content.
Tante, friend, it don't matter. Tante, buat al abo, pero si.
Spreading lies on Facebook.
Exactly.
Unreliable source.
Angelico Facebook. Interesting. We'll get into that soon enough. But I see.
The only face you're gonna get is right here. Please subscribe to this podcast so you can see more of my face.
And read a book if you want to do the two things together. Yes. Read a book. I don't know.
Read a book and watch my face. But see, so Ami in that moment, na pagpensa ng origin story dili una ikaw tayo affect me and dori it affect me in the emotional sense before me stop and pensa, okay, where is he coming from? What is she trying to say? Kuya Kaki. Dere pa mi distance siya for opinion empty. Ako man hala atras. Pa mani, okay. What is this on its own? Kita fufi ami. What is this on its own? Dus nasa como son de basanta wo mas so abo misaku no se que ko wo mas contrasting ko ami gurudin. I think the time to be mas emotional. Taba mas logical and analytical.
Agree. Tama, imita hobi mas emotional, pero te quiere as I turn into a better version of myself.
Amen.
Mita purvedi no take it personal. To being free, maybe think perception of me could maybe not exist anymore. Of an idea of me could not look about mita anto. Tindia maneba bisa ko me not to feel the best anto eko ite hit posting. Yeah. Ite dalbo anto bote kira in some type of way, maybe even bo perception di hende ta cambia, pero yeah, the purvita objective. The purvita objective see sometimes.
Okay. Me ta in school again jara bisa ko mito purvita mas logical about it, pero that's mesmo que eu anda streef naar okay, maybe I should be more logical about it. Mito pensa maybe I should be more emotional about it. So it's também um pouco so as much as I want to say ko na mito kita logical so boy emotions aren't supposed to think just as much value as the logical objective part. This ito kunst di man trying to figure out okay kung uno mito place this quanto waarde mito place na objectivity, na emotional side, subjective side, source, origin, point of view de persona like ting hopi otro belangen mambisa in place ku no te turbe mi sin mane ami mes como persona ta hecht right waarde na gen dori ik word a bit lopsided maybe for the better sometimes but at the same time si boborting a balance we find a balance into ding two different cost time to get a outcome of the ultimate action of reaction based on the opinion or perception in persona rota mas volledig pamisa.
Dere Yolanda is say for both of you, but then yeah, with that defendable miss thing situation asini. So is it more important about that understood of about that right?
Un punto.
Paamita understood. I'm not. I think I used to be someone who missed it with the right, pero as I got older, ela bira mas pamita understood. So tanto bal mi streef naar with the right, pero in the end, look at my piece of the crap. Anto, para mim, o mais importante é que saki como te bisa, então cheese pizza pa bisa. Anto, yeah, para mim, being right sometimes was, but what the right, do it. Pero, obi bia mi te mira ku, nenang ku mi te reconoce essa nenang ta assim chispa have the last word of gewoon. Yeah, I want to be the best. No.
I want to be the very best. Anyway, see. Yeah. Bom punto. Very interesting.
Me diz não é para mim tanto doce. De com tem a word copper que é frente pane ku tapone ku I stand by what I said and I wanna finish with that whatever point that I made. Dus para mim tá belangrijk ku I'm understood, but so me no gusta to walk around talking bullshit about me that isn't right. Pero at the same time, if I was right, I was right. I was right, you are wrong, I am right. And the depende what it is, because the thing ora
Ito yung momentum. Pero see, you said what you said. See?
I said what I said to that person as well.
See. Vamos para ng kama.
Wait, see, think like some happening.
One eternity later.
To me, that being right. I think being right, that depende context, again, everything in context, pero depende context, di kung paso si there's something political, I would want to be right. Sí, paso bogo papia ku I'm not even that political, pero
Yeah, that's what I'm doing there.
sí,
Where you going,
there's
pero-
political things as in rights miss in general, like being,
Right.
I guess, feministic. Mito mas liye by kami ko stand up for women's rights, and no kung bisa mita always right, pero si ungin bisa amin ko backwards, I'm like, no, you're wrong. And no kung mika gana uiteindelijk, minsan ko kami bo train of thought of family na kuwata pienso, so that doesn't change overnight. Pero si ko din situation A, someone ko tamani, prefer ko women should be housewives only. I'm like, no, you're wrong. You're wrong. So, the context A, lumikita right. But so, misako luminota understood. If that makes sense.
I kind of get it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Like seeing where you're coming from.
Okay.
Yeah.
I get what you're saying, pero you can't be pabaya bora song. Just many bomes that understood. Pero não passou but understood but I bora song. See, pero if you want to be right, then you gotta be understood. Because or else, in the home, basically give you what you want, so you just shut the hell up.
Pero
That's really.
kiba yeah. Mo understanding. So you understand, I get what you're saying. Pero esse tamde ito yung kamina. So ba comprende kim debisando bo, pero ere bo po hasta manibisa ma comprende kim debisando, pero completely as you with it.
But that's what I mean. Pero that doesn't mean I think you're right. I understand cognitively, intellectually. Mita ko mani redenering, mita mire argumentasiestructuur, bambisa. Pero I could be like,
Law.
do you see how I tripped over that word? Kasi kibra to mi cara, pero si ay mi po comprendere quello che sta dicendo. I get it, but I don't agree though.
Okay.
This understanding understanding is necessary for pabaya borasong. Pero pabo no to paso bota understood is like a man boti rasong fi. Of que otro men na borasong tampoco.
Yeah, okay. Took a minute, but yeah.
Sí. So atrove. He be struggling over words. Pero sí.
Same thing
Pero
over
sí.
here. Hope you punch it on.
Another running joke. Me notam I don't care about being right. And me no sa enuvere, so me te bisa wa me no tukinan. Me no sa enuvere me to actually care about being understood tampoco. I just don't want to be misunderstood. But como me man?
But if you're not being understood, aren't you misunderstood?
Me como de wala din. Pero de mi kabis, me te mane I don't care if I'm right. I don't care if you actually understand me, but don't misunderstand me. So, bobo quieres sin comprender me, ando ko ta kida okay. Pero si bo misunderstand, si bo comprende algo kung no talo que me man, then it's a problem. So yuri boting But yung oordeel ka ba di magabis. Pero kung no oordeel ko, actually trying to convey to you. Which is different. But so, may pagkita siya understand mo yun and we say, it's okay, it's fine. Like, I'm not tripping. Pero, si ba understand yung cause fault, robes, ako ba tarabia? But that's not what I meant though. So, but yung ordeal ko, nothing next me to makagumi. Like, you just have your own thing going on in your head. And I don't like that. So, kasi I don't like being misunderstood. If you understand me or not, I can only do so much to do that. Pero, me being right, whatever. Like, okay. I can only do so much to be understood, but misunderstanding is all up to you. Like, you could just be like, "Oh, this is what he meant." That's not what I did. That's not what I meant. That's not what my intention was. So, yeah, that's for me. I don't like being misunderstood.
I like kung bota basic ta kwe those word nang ko eigenlijk ta seen usually as opposite of each other and de bona ta mira na as binaries.
Yeah.
De gewoon een weg naar
Yeah.
En nota straight van A tot B.
Sí.
Bij een camino bij je otro.
And the papiana jikoy. Just to me on the break, no a definition of perception, because that ties into exactly what you mean. So, my busca a definition because we need to know what we're talking about. Mi yung manete is diferente. And so just a belief or opinion often held by many people and based on how things seem. Okay. A mental process of a person who comprehends, comprehension, and personal interpretation. Tres diferente. Your perception of something is the way that you think about it or the impression you have of it. So, in that sense, a perception tampoco na itong palabra of not yung thing kuta binary. Like think of Tesaki, of another set in stone. There's different perceptions to perception.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get me.
Pero sí. So, yeah, I agree with you. Pero sí, whatever that is. Just for me, because I think it's important para nos putting base the okay, this is what it is, and una no está stand with it, at it, whatever.
Okay. No, basically that's all I wanted to say también. So, gewoon mita tenevo en momento purba analizar como ta think about those words and the interesting so na to opinion ito pensé así na. It's a new thought. It's a new idea. Interesting.
I agree. I agree. Sí. Okay, pero king was to consider others. So perception to perception. Pero king was to consider is nang porting valid perception. So tu rin po bisa kinang kaya, pero king mo naman okay, a persona que conoce me enough, a persona que sa é parte de minha vida que enough para porting ordeal over this. What's something man? Like porting friend, porting dik mas ordeal dik mas grande over the interbo life, pero when you could follow por tanto tempo no Instagram, to sa que você post com aí porting bom ordeal de bo page. Como so king to others. Who are they?
Others the wait. We ask for me. Others Pokemon as in
Tu rin ko tabo. That's what it is. So that's a whole conversation within itself, eh?
Yeah.
Boom-miss perception di boom-miss. That's a different episode.
That's for a different day.
Yeah.
Para me others of at least is sunang others nang ko ting influensya di kong me te feel uiteindelijk dat me immediate family into me quote unquote immediate friends. Those people that I actually care about, that actually go to lengths. Babuskan Andrechi, go to lengths, but hang out kunan. Those are the people who sinanting algibi sami, me the way think about it. Even si me to agree, si me not to agree, me the way think about it.
Yeah. Okay.
I agree. Madami ding mesong cause si mi immediate family, desin naman un grupo de gente po ervar mo outra maneira. Está metimia tutong kaminan ng perception ta klop as to king bo actually ta. Paso bo immediate family conhece bo maneira. Eu bota portar bo mas lojas com friends não. Porta vice versa também. Pero me concludo dinner para mim também tá ine ng echt cerca de casa. Como me tava bem often com sa di me to sa kimi te bezo huni ento sa kimi mete na ni no me parece que no me se sabe ko pero
Kimi mete na nibida ta? That's what you said?
sí no I don't think my mom knows that for sure or my
Kimi mete
sister
na. Pero lo que that's funny.
pero
Okay.
si ko nang sa kita sabi mo sa essence pero kimi ta como persona jadi una me te binindi una me ta si algo ku sinambi sam na opinion ta algo ku na pensa din context din ami e no din nang that makes sense so na po na uma opinion pero e portama ni paso mi conocer você na bom me saca ko na ta algo ba assim em vez de ku ami lo no hace ko aqui that's a different thing mas inang iwada tabing ba ami
Okay. A mí, me sinto mane others. That's an interesting word, but I don't even want to focus on that if I gotta be honest. But so, me sinto mane new one nothing a full perception di quem bota ni mes, like legit. Because bota kere bota ende, tiene ko actually ta, tiene ko bota kere bota. No sorry, tiene ko bota kere bota, tiene ko bota, and tiene ko boketa. So, inamesta di bomeso.
Yeah.
Sing by others, tin tres diferente abo, di mo kabis. So, under the others, ita konta pa namin sing kostambe. So, others is everyone. To me, others is everyone. So, ngayon po wako kasi tiya palabra vor ordel. Nampo kita sing wako men, ito ang anting perception di po. Ngayon, di na bisa Angel ko di mi, ando, so Angel, pasami nga, so Angel nung kumirami. So what are we talking about here? This demikabis, others is everybody. Valid or not, sinanting mak of sino mak. Pas lagi okay, pero sina opinion ta based on actual things that are valid. Of not, they still have an opinion. So demikabis nanta they should be considered others. O king mita echt waarde na is a different question, pero demikabis ta I try to be objective, so it doesn't really matter. In that sense, as long as what Misaki ko ita, evaluated on its merit of what it is, not who it's coming from. That's what I would say. I try to do, ideally, but again, ko bindao trabaho kabis, masya fácil man, dito rin, so it doesn't matter who. That's what I think.
and does it make a difference si ebini for social media compared to face to face?
I don't care about social media, bro. I don't care. Okay, so
Tell the people.
so ati
Tell the
may gipost
teas.
ng kos umbe mitabaya sa ko hope fake so ay gipost ng umbe ando bisa mi na opinion about it anto mitata cordial about it pero dim to man bro mitata haciendo algo ando do nam sa opinion about it I'm like regardless it results ng kulo boke si butata sa ko gibong amiting na haciendo fraud and you don't have it. So what are we doing here?
Dragging people.
Ando mita man adro mita ta cordial ba demi ko wes man mati of je vrouw. Je vrouw like at the same I don't know. It's like well ando ay nami ka back. Matu maso opinion po so he's right. He was right. Dus mita man okay, mita ba objective about this. Ando ma actually tu maso opinion. Thank you. Because it helped. But at the same time mita man the person who is coming from knowing them like bono po para candela din otro caso nito bokas ta in flames. Ba kung man? Like si miti pa kami candela ba so mi no gusta candela de mi cas pero bomes ting candela like bo house ta yung haze and rakes na candela bota pegando otro kota bay anto you're looking at me at my little stove fire like like yeah I don't want this fire so mita pa gela bisa mi bo pagay candela anto man botira so du pay candela sa candela no pero bro, do you bota mirando boca minda hinter mo kahit na candela like it's a forest fire de mo barrio what are we doing so bota mi man so atro ba you could be right bota bisa nung ko bong you dami great mita tu so you're right but at the same time you're not the one bota mi man I don't want to hear that from you and that was on social media
Yep.
so you Y'all do that, whatever you want with that. I don't know what to say. Anyway, so.
Tijdelijk, okay. For me, I'm not much of a social media person. However, I do have here and there, modeling gigs, pictures on the socials. I might check them tag or something. Point is, I do get a dopamine kick from it. People are gonna either react on it, share it, this thing, some kind of action around just simply having a picture. Mind you, it's a photo shoot. I'm makeup, hair, pose, scenery, whatever the case may be, visual. It's a very pretty picture. So I didn't have to react on it with hearts or whatever. Thank you for pero at the same time, que hecht na way. Gusta. Was it look at mirando to me exterior so. You buy a potential or buy an natch and that's how you like it. That sounds awful. That sounded awful. Yes. Me no gusta pegar an idea como to rely on social media this, but me boost me confidence. Me get sad in me school, okay, I like this or I like how I look. Especially me prefer that, I guess. Do the work offline, then online. Me querer ko like, me haya ko like sa conectar me. The opinions, they're not said out loud when they might be gonna do shit. But there's that too. Pero pero hard eyes nang of whatever tama ta un response. Tama ta un way of saying I like this. What you trying to say?
Not all the time.
But the haters be liking your pictures too, I don't like to use the word haters, but
not only.
But hindi na ko don't really care. I'm doing it, but the end of like it gewoon door the routine and gewoon tap. I don't even like this, but I'm gonna like it anyway. Was I like thing? What? If motivo para que cogen estas cosas nunca los no understand. Because it's like people be doing stuff just to do this. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. See, the woman that
I agree with that too. I agree with that too. I think so too.
So with the hecht waarde nunca nota ni así, no so tabo. That's wild.
También. Social media
No, I just liked it because it was there.
Social media is a scam, so yeah, but how do you experience it?
Wait, can I question?
This kung si
bezig so much someone had dim was an answer when they're trying to understand. Actually we daqui não start talking about si.
Não estava com si. Problema como se pergunta com si social media. See, it's a difference between having a social media opinion, I guess, versus having it face to face.
Getting it, but man.
See. Because social media también, some of those people you've never seen, you've never met them. Yeah. It's just people you follow.
Yeah. But sometimes those people be hardcore or masculine in person.
Oh girl, work. Yes.
But when it comes to me, mira que tem difference. Sowieso in person since I'm an emotional person, me appreciate it way more por like social media tá big grande even. Like, see, when they when they comment, when they DM when they beat a app também tá inteiro outro level. Pero the miss in person that affect me to get me way more. I say no que man cool social media not affect me, because to be honest, me to get social media that affect me way more than I would want to admit.
Preach. All of us, by the way, we're in the same boat. All this was cap. All lies, but I see.
Pero yeah, I think in person sowieso. Like even a phone call, even kun letterlijk in person, pero tambe. I throw away levels.
Phone calls be intimate.
Yeah.
Like, you wanna call me? What?
Phone calls
bro.
are-
Like, I used to be someone that didn't like to call, and now call me, not to respond to your message.
5 to 7 business days.
The ghetto. So, no, you're right though.
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. Awo, like nos kader in jisum tikimas. Their own relationship. But to prioritize, but no sa kader in place to buy prioritize being understood of being right.
In the relationship, how?
Context. See, the relationship, romantic relationship. Let's put it that way. So, nos by this way, we could talk about that. But me get a intention about the romantic relationship. See, yeah.
In a romantic relationship, but in kita a right a, because it's not gonna work.
True.
But no po kada fight pa with the right, because you're gonna fight pa sang break up. So
Yep.
I think being understood is important in this one in terms of to those party understanding each other and to what they're trying to say. And the part that they understanding yung yan ko ta right, sure. Pero I don't know. Pero
Sure.
but yung understanding CD how this person feels kung ila sintindihin yung sitwasyon después de sitwasyon ni kung la sintasina anto pero mas bien un open conversation about what happened and then kung move forward rather than oh no as nagkiko pasa anto but ko apologize because as nagkiko pasa and kung natabay work anto I think being understood is the most prioritized. Being understood ko intention pa diretso ko sa si no just mani okay makumani that's it. No, how do we like move forward?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Para-mi, manera makumisa. Para-mi the ding relationship tambe and romantic in any way being understood the more important. Manera basically agreeing with you kuya party ko. Si buta G streeft naar buta right. Uiteindelijk buta end up the breakup so. Yeah, but the G's queda para arriba anto. We're not really. Wait, let me buy back. Being understood uiteindelijk buta of understanding tapo na buta conocer e gente. Anto trying to be right. Queda para arriba lo que hago de pensar anto. Será bom mes by perception de otro gente. Perception de otro gente. Tabuta ku. But the ways to close will mess off. Anto, yeah, it's not gonna work. And the bobo apply cookie in everything, in every relationship, basically. So, if you're not open to understanding, then honestly, what are you doing?
Facts. Met agree ko was na gewoon. Pero
Oh shit. Here we go again.
me to feel like binosa en hoeverre being understood the meest importante as trying to understand.
Elaborate.
See, so being understood, there's nothing yung garantia kung ba ta understood. So mi por respetar bo opinion, respetar bo feelings, but at the same time, ciertas cosas nos no te see eye to eye, and mi make up como persona ta bloquea ese unwillingly. So as long as we're trying to understand and we're validating another person to perception, to believingness, to opinion, whatever you want to call it, I think that's more important. So hecht ze net aan de waarde being understood ku si persona letterlijk nota comprendebu abo nota allowing the other como te bisa lagi si butak by asinat na butak asinat de waarde na trying to be understood at some point butak block ya kaminda butak block ya kaminda so you're just focusing on yourself still. So being understood, what keep with the principle is to understood your opinion, your thing. So in that sense, I'm gonna be flip it and trying to understand the meal. So trying to understand to those banda. So trying to understand no porta banda so.
No.
What we man? We're not trying to understand for you. You're trying to understand the other person. Onderwerp é coisa mais importante é other person's point of view. So I feel like that's more important than being understood.
But I think if we to come with, it's over the stop. I think it could go with the first thing that came to mind is respect.
So yeah.
Ku portavo nota by Bobby sentence ka pone ko mapinsa respect.
I've said a lot of things, bro. It's tough.
You'll be saying a lot of things.
Yeah.
That's why we have a podcast, man.
To say.
Pero eko'y being understood na understand kina ta saying that come with respect. Pero batingo comprender mano di na subanda tambe. Kiko nang ta feeling. And though you gotta respect it kuptingon at nota by tama ni awa da sinti. And kung ano po make it so at end nga ta bisa nga ta hasi loki nang this you can only do what you know yourself. So you can only move in a way that you understand. See, no sé si essence na ito make sense, pero kung
but the limited, but understanding the limited. By hope you pero tingin ko minapopon mi mes thing. I'm not you.
Yes,
so it's only I can only get so far.
Yeah. The same as the come ko kung a respect ko. Tingin ko no meet eye to eye with someone. So
you gotta be cool with that too, and the other person has to be, and that's tough.
And also patience.
Yeah.
So a party ko bonota by always meet eye to eye and ko porta say to reveal algo ko maybe you got boss nang hunto of abo miss by work towards it. But yeah, ko understand. To require patience.
But hasta também patience in sense ko. Porta a persona que poriega na understanding di lo que tipo point of view, pero kung leo bota pai kune pa hibe na your understanding. Like ela compreendendo di contrario bako I say that the next step, pero pambisa bota still trying to figure out together pa is un understanding di otro kung leo bota bai. So okay man tina to bisa ay bosa ki ko leo mai. It's whatever. Nobody got time for this. Tampoco no tabo. So how does that kung quanto tempo bota do? So si being understood is importante. How much you're willing to do to be understood?
But dapat may persuade you uiteindelijk. Bekada ko ba atrás pa comprender algo. Nga ta comprender algo, ora nan que comprender algo. Ora nan ta necessariamente comprender algo, pero tiwa na mesa pasa de un copo na mes dal nan pia pa comprender, oh, this is what the person meant. So now ting porta un lack of knowledge, lack of experience ko ta pone ko na no po understand bo. Ting upbringing tam do mural ko to nano po understand so nano ting ekoi din ang box of archives of experiences pasa ko asine abot amidele. They know what they can think of do with what they know.
But you know, so the vermogen as opposed to wanting to. I want to understand you, but I haven't been through what you've been through to understand you. So I know so we separate the two. So tiene no tiene gani understand bo. Kuda verb so tiene hope like pero tiene no por. So which one is it? Di quali nang mi ta supone question ko. So quali nang bo ta go mas far pa achieve understanding eh. Es un no tiene gana o es un no por. So ba me leo ta queda.
Es un no tiene gana to sound like an ego thing to me.
Fair, yeah.
It sounds like when they give a shit already. Baby says it is all money. But not a trouble por being un consensus. Vamos a no sé kung overeenkomst. Pero kung pag-llega un agree to disagree, então sa sí.
Sí.
Ese para mí te prefiero ese como un endul dan no ting gana. So to me that's two different things.
No, it is that. Specifically, which one? Specifically, question that which one ta ponebo ding ding mood of na mood ding como ta posicionado mes ding dos diferente scenario nang is no por understand bo, so money bo bisa nothing experience and nothing intelligence, whatever you want to call it, or whatever it might be, of a persona ku no que, pues it's un ego problem. Mita supone ko is a first one, but willing to go further. Pero eko itama ita counterproductive, so say nothing elements and nothing ekos nang tools na din sumang pa porta na tawaro tra. What's going on? Nanti otro, si eting tools nang pero nothing gana, there's no point of forcing it. So which one do you? Say amit mire. Pero si tapos na manera bon depends. So you end up doing what? Nothing. So which one? How far do you go with either of those?
Yeah.
See this ese mi penso ku tiene kung nothing tools nang ando ego like how far do you get kung mas leo bo bay kung ene so wa si abo ye kana pumente como de okay mi nothing tool persona que nothing tools kung leo mi ba actually quanto effort mi ba hinken to actually being understood because at that point it's like whatever ando voral si enoke so man angelo bisa it's an ego thing then ma tune off ma shora like
I always do this. Si mi mira, kung mi basic ta purba na pisabo algo. Ito ba no que comprendemi? Vai purba, dalbo pia, anto bila gamisa. So ora ba ping pisabo.
hold you so bruh. That's tough.
That's hard.
Yeah. Então, it's not about being right, but I'm here to being understood. Pero si mi sako mi te right, mi na tabay tira mo cara. Bimbisa mi slo ora boka ba dalbo pi.
Ando yerim te tira na
Ora mi te tira mo cara.
Okay. It's a switching of a tempo kami na mi bisabo. I was right. I see what you're saying. I'm picking up what you're throwing down. Right.
Ay. Iko ito, de que ko am tingo ainda ler af un tiki. Pero ainda me tinha mania. Nee, ging die sigi bring up un kote mania. You know what? At this point, like it's above me now. God, take it away, please. Stop me dando stress. Pero me no. Ja, zie, pa met een kok moet ik leer af eigenlijk. Hoe me no missed it that always right. Doesn't mean I'm wrong. Just means I'm not always right.
Yeah.
But now that you're saying it, me te feel and to think about it, or was anta papi tambe ko. Timbia both sides are right, but it's just not a fit. And both are right about something. Could be a situation maybe, pero not a base the fit. And to pune tambe ko both perception the block. Kung ta llega uiteindelijk naar un consensus.
Sí. Pues vos tienes razón, pues ando dos tienes razón, pues si me tengo splinter hinter idea de ta right, me go ando tying into what you said, but pues coming from a perspective of you. Vooral si ta cosa antibo mes, bijvoorbeeld my intention, I'm always right about my intention. Si me ta honesto con mi mes, ta ina botimbo pag ngayon mes, pero pambisa, boto honesto con mi mes, you're always right about your intention. Anto, si when no te donan mi razón about what my intention was about something, kibo kibo mi asi. Ando ito ta omgekeerd tambe. Dus ando simpito wrong paso adrobe why are you wrong? Are you wrong because you don't want to be, because you can't be? Are you wrong because you don't want to understand what's right? You don't want to do it? Then there will be reasons to why things are the way it is. This a lesson, Google minata. Perception is what it is, in the sense que tienes una diferente manera para look at things, put things, see things, experience things. Like it's not set in stone. Being right, even why you're right, from where, where you stand point. Que capacity with the 5 ay kubo da benza sineki ando kubo da bida, like who knows at this point, who knows. So me conclusion me seta, bruh, I don't know. I don't know. Look, I don't know either. But yeah.
Don't we all?
No, we don't.
We don't.
And that's really on brand. We don't know, bro.
Say with a grain of salt.
See. And with that being said, me trabajo mi outro. And with perception being the main thing, I have this quote: "The same hammer that shatters glass forges steel. So it's a matter of what do you want to do with the same thing. It's the same hammer, but akinata kibra glass and akinata for steel. And that's perception.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that was all for this episode, folks. Thank you for tuning in. The episode I gave was very layered, and to jump on, let's go about different topics, and that will be interesting for us. So I hope basanta por I get something from it. If you want to join the discussion, write it somewhere,
Follow whatever
wherever
is
you
here.
see this.
See.
On the side left, but also follow us on our socials, which will also be in the bio below, on Instagram, YouTube, and our personal Instagrams as well.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
We will see y'all in the next episode, the OnBrand OnBrand podcast. I'm so sorry.
Bye.
But peace.